What's up? Welcome to the second live stream of the day. I decided to come back. It's the same day, so I don't feel like I need to state the date, but I am the same person, William. And I don't really have much of an agenda. I kind of just want to come up and hang out for a little bit. So I figured I'll, I don't know, browse the internet for a little bit, maybe do a little bit of work. I don't know, we'll see. You all are seeing my desktop. Normally I don't share my desktop, but there is this weird, maybe I can do that. I can report this weird behavior to the eCam team. Yeah, I'm gonna do some switching a few times just so that I can have it, so I can share that with them. All right, cool. Just want to reproduce that. I'm going to use this AI tool to build, well, I've been doing it, but I'm going to use it to build some additional pages here. So let me rename this. We're going to call this our MailChimp auth, or we'll just call it authentication. Yeah, we'll call it authentication. Yeah, this is pretty dope. All right, we're going to create another page, and I'm essentially recreating this. It's not like I've done much with this. It's a basic ass document. Is this local? Yeah. Is that Mailgun or MailChimp? I think it was MailChimp. Does Mailgun have more? No, it doesn't. All right, yeah, so it looks like they're only going to be 3 pages. We're good. So we have the download page. The download page is going to be the last page on all of them, I think. Or the import or whatever that is. All right, so let's recreate that. Do a rectangle. Is there a dark mode? I think this uses, what is that thing called? Excalidraw. This looks like the Excalidraw engine. Yeah, it does. Perfect. Different keybind. All right, so we'll add a text node. We'll call this MailChimp again. In fact, what I'm going to do is take these two things and group them together, copy them, and paste it over here. That way I don't have to redo all of that anymore. Dump that there, and then we're going to have I don't know, like download, I guess it's going to be the thing that we're going to put in here. So download, oh wait, tripping, download, there we are. All right, cool. So, or export. Actually, I'm going to call this download because at the moment that's the thing I'm forcing people to do. So we'll, oops. Okay. All right, so we're gonna have an export ID, which is going to be 0, or I don't know, it's gonna be some ID. Let's come up with an ID. UUID. Let's generate a new, ooh, no, I don't like that. We want a UUID v4, I think. And I only want 100. Oh, I'm sorry, I only want 1, I'm tripping. Okay, so we're gonna dump that there. So we have our export ID. I think this needs to be medium. If I'm not mistaken, I think these were mediums, yeah. Okay, so we have a medium. This should be small. All right, cool. So we're gonna make a few copies of these. All right, and we're gonna have started, finished, and then the size. And then we also want the download link. we'll put some text that says click to download export. All right, this should be small. Can we underline in here? Ah, look at that. We can't underline. Oh, that sucks. That's okay. I can do that. That's fine. All right, and I want to make sure that the text sizes on these are correct. So we need to copy this, the small. All right, and I have. Let's just grab a date. So we'll grab a date. And that looks good enough to me. So we're gonna start on this time, I think 2011 T. Yeah, it's the same type of time. And then we want to do the same thing here, so we'll just copy it, delete that, and let's just make the time a few seconds in the, or a few minutes in the future. So we'll do that, something like that. Okay, size is going to be in byte. Oops, I don't know why that did that. So we're going to do 100. I don't know, let's just call it 1 megabyte. And then we'll have an import. Actually, no, we're good. I think I'm just going to have a finish. Yeah. We're going to create the button, because I do need to leave room for the possibility in the future that we will do a complete flow. So it's going to be an import. And this is ... because it's going to take you to another page or another place. All right. This could be, organized a little bit better, but we'll see what this looks like. This tool is really dope. Watch this. Oh shit, we could do colors. Oh, let me make this another color. I want that to be blue. That seems to be really all I can do. Let's select all of these things and make sure that I right align them. All right, let's select it all, and then we'll say make real. Watch this. This shit is fucking dope. Look at that. What y'all know about that? It got it wrong a little bit, but I don't really care. It's fine. It's good enough. I think I can make this. I can fix it though, possibly. Let's just, I don't want that. Let's move this import down here. I'm pretty sure that will maybe fix it, hopefully. Move it down to here. And if it doesn't get it right, that's fine. Like I'm using this to save about an hour worth of typing. So it's like, yeah, I can easily move it over. So this is good enough for me. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and we'll put it in this test folder here. Oh wait, okay. We'll create a file inside of that directory. So we're going to touch a file called oh shit, what is this? Is this MailChimp? Oh, this isn't even the right thing. Or oh no, this is MailChimp. Okay, never mind. So this is MailChimp auth. Yeah, we'll just call it that. And then we're gonna have a MailChimp or MailChimp download or something like that. And this should be, I didn't mean to do that. I want this to be on my desktop. Inside of this directory right here, tests. All right, and then what I will do is we will paste whatever the contents into there is. So we'll open that up. That's MailChimp. Oh. Test MailChimp download. All right. So now we have this content in here. And what is this F here? Wait a minute. What the hell is this? Oh, this is my, okay. I don't know why this is here. Let's get rid of that. And what the hell is TMP? Yeah, I'll deal with that later. Let's look at what this thing looks like. We'll put this into VS Code here. And we'll open up a live server. So now if we do the download, we get that, right? That's pretty dope, I think. What is it here? So I want the same type of style, essentially. All right, so yeah, I guess I can do that now. All right, so here is the button right here. I forgot what I copied. Okay, I copied the whole class, okay. All right, let's see what we're looking like now. All right, yeah, there we are. That looks better. And I like making sure that I carry the same type of aesthetic. So yeah, we're good here. This will eventually be formatted as an actual date. And we can get some of that stuff done, but I'm not gonna do that now. I just want to get the main structure done. So we have this done. We also need to do the whatever this thing is, this right here. So we are going to call this the download, I guess. And then we also want to say provider. Or ESP, we'll call it ESP. Start, just to make that even clear what that is. So we'll do a rectangle, we'll throw in the name of the thing, which is just email migration tool. For now, I don't like getting to names. That's someone else's job. All right, I'm gonna put in ESP, select email service provider, and I think that this should be medium, right? Yeah, medium. All right, and then we're gonna have a circle, a few circles. So we'll copy it. Oops, I didn't mean to copy that one. All right, so this first one, actually, I don't know why I did that. We're just gonna call this MailChimp. What I should have done or did was that first. And then I can delete these, just copy them. All right, so now we have Mailgun and SendGrid. That looks decent enough to me. I don't really care that much. All right, so we're gonna have our continue, and that needs to be centered. This is a primary button, but like I don't really care. I can style it easily. So we'll select this and then we'll say make real. Something that went wrong. Uh-oh. Did it not take my selection? Yeah, that was it. It didn't take my selection. I do want to say RIP, like, I don't know. Like, if I could just put some boxes together and just get the UI, because that's really the only thing that I hate the most. And I'm fine with dealing with all the UI logic, sure, whatever. But like making stuff look a certain way, I'm happy that this exists. I don't even have to think. This is awesome. All right, let's create a new file. We're going to do actually, why don't I just go into that directory instead of doing what I was about to do? Excuse me. All right, so we're gonna call this ESP selection. All right, cool. Let's see what that looks like. And we may need to do a little bit of just a little bit of work, a small amount of work, rather. Refresh, so we should see the new one. ESP select. This is different, but that's okay. It's not, you know, that's fine. ESP select. Let's save this to get it. Ooh, whoa, what? What was that? Why is this formatted weirdly? Okay. This is interesting. I want to fix whatever this red stuff is. It's annoying me. It's not really like a problem with anything. I just don't like it. Yeah, we're gonna spend a little bit of time trying to figure that out. I don't know why this is doing this. Let's see if we get any output in prettier. Maybe it'll tell me, or not. Maybe prettier is not even here. But wait, what formatted this code? Oh, it's here. We are. It's prettier. I'm done. Okay, formatted, completed. All right, info, prettier options. Where are these options coming from? That's the question. Where are these coming from? I did not do these. Prettier. Let's see, extensions. Oh, here we are. Prettier. Okay, so arrow, parens, include parens around a sole arrow function parameter. No, I hate this. Avoid. Bracket, same line, push the same. What did it do? It's changing something. It's my spacing. Controls the printing of spaces inside an object literal. No, that's not it. All right, prettier tab with two. Use single instead of double quotes. Yeah. I don't know. Fuck it. I don't care. I don't care anymore. Let's get this looking better than it is right now. Move this off to the side like so. All right, so the thing it's not really broken, but this right here is different, I think, between the two. So the body, why is this even on the body? I'll do it that later. I don't care. All right, so we have BG gray dark. So let's take this thing right here and this right here, this body and this div, and let's replace it. And look at that. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong thing. I'm dumb. Getting ahead of myself. I was like, oh yeah, I got it working, but nah, I don't. But I did, so I actually did have it working, so there's that. Now the next thing is to update this button. Wait a minute. Did this thing just... Oh wow, okay. Wait, if I click this... Okay, it doesn't do anything. All right. Interesting. I wasn't expecting it to build this out too, to handle the form submission. I don't know if I'm going to need this because I haven't decided how I'm going to build this, whether or not I'll use what do you call it, remix or next. If I use next, not next, remix, this will be an action, I think. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna delete it because it's not necessary at the moment. All right, cool. So now we have Malgun. How does that look? Yeah, it looks decent enough, I suppose. All right, let's see our radio class text blue, ring blue. I don't see the ring, or is that only when I select with a keyboard? Nah. Yeah, that I don't know if it matters that much. This should be good enough though. Should be good enough. Now let's go back to the other to see how these look. So this MailChimp here, I want this to be bigger, but overall this is fine. We're good. So we have the 3 main pages that we need. 2 of these pages are going to be repeated twice. I'm sorry, not twice, 3 times. 2 more times, but total of 3 times. We're going to repeat this for Mailgun and SendGrid. They each have their own information that they take. I have a thingamajig that I wrote up somewhere that I need to just probably return to that. Let me pull up Obsidian. Where's that thing at? Is it Excalibur migration tool? All right. Oh, this is an image. Okay, I don't know why that's there. I guess at this point, well, wait a minute. Yeah, at this point, I guess I could just start building because I have the main things. There's not much else, right? Like, I mean, I do need to put this inside of GitHub, so I guess I will do that. But at this point, I could just start building. Or wait, no, maybe I can't yet. Give me a second. I think I'm lying. There's one other thing that I need to do before I'm ready to move forward. I'll take that and put it here. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Oh, this is inside of a filled set. I'm not gonna worry about how it looks. That will take all day. Let's use the remix thing. I have a app that I was testing, I think. Yeah, here we are. It's a fake remix app. It doesn't really do anything yet. But maybe I'm gonna make it do something now. Maybe that. Oh, I remember this. I was trying to get Supabase working on like some random project. So maybe this isn't the best thing to do it in. Or maybe it is. Let me delete some things. Oh no, I don't want to. No, never mind. We're going to start a new project because that's some random ass Supabase thing that I did. I don't even know what that goes to. Let's go remix. Oops. Remix.js. All right, get started. Installation, make directory, npm init, npm run dev. All right, and then we npx that. All right, sure. Gonna open up a new shell, and we'll go into OneSignal developers. And yeah, I guess I'll just call it email migration tool. Okay. npm init y. All right, this doesn't make sense to me. You just say npm init y. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm tripping. Okay. Okay. What if I don't want to use npm? I'm gonna use it. I'm just curious. What if I didn't want to use it? npm init -y. Okay. Now we're gonna install some things. Is it install remix node remix run react? I wonder if there's a non-react. Well, it's probably not. Knowing this, remix run serve. Oh, it's remix run node. Okay, it's not remix node, it's remix run. Remix run. Okay. Is bot react DOM. What else? Remix run service. Oh, okay. All right. Looks like the spacebar wasn't hit. This error happened. Okay, another error. What the hell? Remix run server. Oh, it's serve. Oh, okay. I see. Cool. So now we got the things, supposedly. And we can install developer dependencies. Remix run dev. Okay. Let's take a look at the package file. Ooh, that didn't. Did that do? No, it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Wow. Okay, fine. That's fine. We'll just create it manually. Developer or dev dependencies, and then we'll just move this to here. Easy enough. And I don't know if this makes a difference, but I am going to remove. I'm just going to remove them all and just reinstall them. RM node modules. All right, and then we'll just rerun pnpm install. I don't know if it makes a difference, but you know, my internet's fast. It's okay. All right, so now that we've done that, they are saying that we can do this thing right here, npm I. Wait, no, that's the wrong thing. We make a directory app. Oh, wait a minute. Why am I doing this? I thought that this was like a thing where you just like a create. Wait, am I really about to do this whole thing myself? I don't want to do this. Unless it's almost over. If it's almost over, then I guess I will go ahead and do it. It's not that hard to do. I just didn't want to. I wasn't trying to actually think or do any work. Whatever. All right, fine. We're going to make the directory app. And then we can create a file in here in app. So we're going to open that up. Root dot. Yeah, no, we're not doing this. This is JSX. Nah, we're not doing this. Or actually, maybe we should do JSX. I've never actually used JSX. This could be interesting. Maybe this would be my first time doing React without TypeScript. So is that worth doing, or is that just sounds stupid to do? I think it sounds stupid, kind of. Let's see if there's a create React or create remix app. Something. Okay, there's definitely a CLI. This is what I was thinking that I was doing. I wasn't expecting whatever I was doing. Let's see, npx create, and then I can pass it the, okay, let's do that. Yeah, I'm over here, I'm not trying to work. What is this? All right, so we are going to essentially remove everything that's inside of that directory. So we're gonna do remove like literally everything inside of what is this directory? Email migration tool. And we'll put in a -r and a, yeah. Wait, what? Remove. Okay. I'm like, wait a minute. I put it in the wrong place. Okay, all right, that's just user error. Let's go to email something. All right, what is this project called? I've already forgot what this is called. My email migration tool, okay. Oh, I deleted, wait, did I delete it? I thought I deleted all the things in it, not the thing itself. Oh, wow, look at that. I actually deleted the thing. Whatever. So we'll do one signal, or wait, what is it? Email migration tool? Email migration tool. And I should be able to call this npx create remix latest, and I should be able to give it that directory, email migration tool. Okay, latest. Now here's the thing though, I want a template. Like, I don't want to just, yeah. So the default template is TypeScript app using the built-in. Okay, if you wish to use your application based on, wait, what? If you wish to create your application based on a different setup, you could use the template flag. Okay, and what templates can I pass? That's like, here we are, for more comprehensive guide. Yeah. npx remix, runs remix, remix run example user. Oh, these are examples. Okay. Well, let's just see how this goes for now. It doesn't go because it's not npm, it's npx. Okay. Need to install the following packages. Sure, I don't care. Just do it. Initialize the new, of course, like that's not even a question. Install it. Sure, whatever. If you recommend it, fine. Oh, yo, what's up, casual economist? How you doing? I see that you are here with me. I'm curious, were you here when I used this new AI tool that somebody they built? I think they open sourced it too. That allows you to draw a UI and it builds the UI and gives you the code. It uses Tailwind for styles, which is just it's amazing actually. Okay, so apparently this is ready to go. So let's go to email migration tool. Let's see what we got in here. I'll open up the project. Cool, so we have the things. So if I run this, we should be good to go. Maybe. How do you run this? Is it start? Okay, so npm start. Okay. No such file or directory. Index tool, wait, index.js. Okay, it's not start. Okay, I was like, wait, why do I have to build this? So if I build it, that will run. It's npm run dev. Okay, all right. And let's see what we got. All right, we get these things. All right, cool. Let's go to this app. What route are we on? We're on the root route, I think. No, this isn't the root route. This is the root route here, entry client. And I want to be clear here before we get too involved in this. I don't know Remix at all. Like, I've never used it. I haven't read the docs. I know of it. I've wanted to use it, and this is me learning it. So welcome to how I learn things. Anyways, we're gonna go over to here. This could be the thing that I'm interested in. Maybe. we're going to look for this, right? We're looking for this 15-minute blog posting. We'll just search for it, 15. And, oh, quick start maybe? Quick start blog. Oh, here we are, index, underscore index. All right, cool. This is our home route, apparently. I think what I'm going to do is dump the code from let me just find it. Email migration tool. We'll open up a new one of these. Go to my desktop. And I think this was inside of tests. And is it ESP something? Yeah, there we are. Cool. So what I want to do is basically copy some things. I'm gonna just take this whole body essentially. This technically won't work, but we'll deal with the technicalities later. I don't really know what's up with this font. I don't know if I care right now. Yeah, we don't care about this font right now. Let's get rid of that. We're gonna return this. What? Whoa, wait, what? What was that? Did I copy or not? Okay, all right, wow. Okay, this is looks like you're trying to copy, but the mouse button is ruined. Why? Wait. Okay. Okay, it's fine. We have solutions to these problems. So we're going to take this. Wait, why is that not working? What the hell? There we go. So we're going to take that and dump it into here. And we can't have this body here, so we're going to make this a div. And then this is going to be a div. Like so. And then all of these classes need to be class name. Okay. Now this isn't going to work yet because there's an import that's missing. So I got to add that. And I think that's done in root if I'm not mistaken. And this is where things get a little weird, I guess, which is I don't really know how to add the head, this thing right here. Oh, it's just a script. Oh, okay. Well, never mind. We'll just add it as a script. I didn't realize that. Now, this begs another question, which is how do I inject scripts? How do I do that? Or can I just export a const called scripts? Can I do that? Like, that would be dope if I could do that. Let's see, links. Where are links being used at? All right, let's just consult the docs. So remix, include scripts. Oh, my bad. I just noticed my bad. You missed notifications, so I didn't see the AI tool. Did you do it like 30 minutes ago? Maybe. I actually don't know. I have no idea. But I'll probably, I'm going back and forth, so maybe I'll get back to it in a bit. Okay, so it is scripts. Look at that. Oh, wait, did I? No. Handle. This is a little bit different. Okay, I don't see any. Oh, here they are. Okay, I see what they're doing. They're doing it this way. So I wonder if I can do that. Can I do that? I don't see why not. It's just HTML. So let's try. Let's just dump it in there and see what happens. All right, so we've done that, and this is being served. So let's refresh that page. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah, look at that. This is it's not all the way there, but it's better. It's close. We're getting there. I think I know what the problem is. Let's take this and I'm gonna delete this, and we'll say class name. Whoa. Class name is equal to that, or I don't know what I'm doing here. So that class name, I think we're good. All right, look at that. Look at that. Okay, now let's come into here, and this button, I want to give this some additional room from this field setup here. Let's say, can we do padding bottom maybe 6 pixels? Can we do that? Yeah, we can. All right, this is good enough for me. I don't care that much. This is good enough for me. So from here, this continue. So let's say we click this continue. What do I want this to do? This will navigate me to whichever, I mean, technically it's going to be the same page. I'm just going to pass this thing inside of here. So we'll go to slash, what's the name of it? I don't have a good name for it yet, but we would go to like slash, I don't know, auth mel gun or something stupid, something like this, mel gun mg, auth mg. We do that, and then we could do a little query param. Oh, not auth mg, we'll say auth, and then a query param, and then something like esp equal ascend grid, I don't know, something like that, right? So when I click continue, what I can then do, I think this is server rendered, so I would look at that query param and I would conditionally render the right thing. And it's not that complicated. Like, let's be real, the only difference is which input fields occur or appear. That's it. There's no real difference. All the logic is the same for the most part. Yeah, this is I guess is a decent start, right? Maybe. This entry thing is confusing to me though. Let's see what this entry does. Let's see if I go to slash entry. Cause I know that the dot syntax, it means something like entry dot client. It's entry slash client or something like that. So let's try that. Entry slash client. Okay, that's obviously not it. Entry, let's try entry. Nothing. Okay, so by default, Remix will handle hydrating your app on the client for it. I feel like this is what this is. It's the same comment. If you want to customize this behavior, you can run npx remix reveal to generate. Okay, that will take precedence. This file is the entry point for the browser and is responsible for hydrating the markup generated by the server in your server entry module. However, you can also, okay, that's not what I care about right now. I need to figure out, how do I create a new route, I guess? Is that what they're calling it? Let's see, go to tutorial. Routes. The root route, adding the contact route UI. So that's app, oh, so it does go into routes. Okay, well, that's good to know. So then, looks like we can also do this little weird $sign thing. That must be some type of query param. Yeah, well, wait. Okay, I don't want to do this. I want to do a query param. So this isn't the one that I want. So a remix file convention is dot will create a slash, $sign will make a segment dynamic. Okay. Okay, so that's not what I wanted. Oh, I specifically want a query param. Anyway, we can go ahead and create the route at least. So let's do that. So this is going to be Auth. Why is it not? Auth or no? Yeah. Auth authenticate ESP. I think I can do that. All right, and I'm just gonna kind of copy this and delete most of it. So I don't know what a contact is. So we're not gonna have a contact. This is going to be our authenticate ESP. We won't have a contact. We won't return any of this. I'm just going to return a fragment for now. Oops. All right, and get rid of all these unneeded imports. Now let's see if I can go to that route called auth ESP. All right, look at that. So we get the route, and let's put the one that's hard coded for Mailgun or whatever that, I don't know what it's called, but we're going to use that one, whatever it's called. All right, we're going to do, what is it? Auth something. Yeah, that. Oh, it's the MailChimp one. That's the one that's done so far. All right, so I'm gonna take this, all of this. Actually, let's do this the smarter way. We can do it this way. All right, so we'll do that, and I guess I can close that away. Put it here. I think that's all of them. All right, label for it's not assignable to type. Property 4 does not exist on type. What do you mean? Oh, it's HTML4. Okay, all right, yeah, I forgot. Okay. I wonder if I have that in other places. Anyway, it's not that important now. Let's close that away. And look at that. We have the code here. Or, I mean, we have it rendering. It's not in the place that I wanted, but I don't care at this point. It doesn't matter that much. The next step is to wire up. Actually, I should have a back button. Yeah, I should have a back button. Or, never mind. You know what? No, we'll use the browser. Look at that. We'll use the internet. The internet gives us a back button. Why did that? Okay, we're good now. All right, so then let's go to the home page, or the selection. Yeah, so what we would do is we would do this, click this just to route me to the next thing. So let's get that routing done. I don't know how to do that, just FYI. So we're gonna figure that out. Routing maybe? Or is it a link? Can I use a link? Yeah, look at that, links. Renders a standard anchor tag, meaning that you get it success. Okay, so, all right, let's see if there's a link that I can use. So this right here is a button at the moment. Maybe the button is going to contain a link. I don't really know how this works at the moment, but we'll see. I'm gonna link. Yeah, that seems okay, I suppose. And we're gonna wrap the button, maybe, or maybe the opposite. I don't know. We'll do that. See what this does. How it looks. All right, it doesn't like this. Okay, so obviously I can't do that. Let's see what I need to do on here. First of all, so let's make this a class name. And then we're just going to put all this crap in there. Actually, no, this is a... let's see. We have a 2. Okay, that seems about right. Do we have a type? Oh, look at it. We have a type. Okay, let's look at the docs. So a link is a React 4ref exotic component remix link of remix link props composed with remix ref attributes on the HTML element. Okay. Now let's, oh wait, why did that? Okay. Now let's see what are the remix link props. We can prefetch, it extends link props. Link props extend whatever this HTML anchor attributes are minus href. So we get replace state relative to, where is type coming from? Where the hell is type coming from? Is that part of anchor HTML? Let's see. Let's HTML anchor element. Let's see if there is a type in here. Type. Yep, a string that reflects the type. Oh, okay. HTML attribute indicating the MIME type of the linked resource. Okay, all right, so then that's not what I want. We don't want to use type. That's wrong. We don't want to do that. So let's get rid of this. Is there like a content name, like a name? Or is this like literally a, can I not do this? Or is it that I just didn't import it? Like what, why can't I do this? Let's just look. We're gonna look at an example. This is the wrong link. Oh. All right, yeah, maybe I should just looked at this. So you can put something in there. It's just that I don't think you can put a button in there. So let's say T. Is it happy? No, it's not happy. Yeah, like this isn't happy. Oh wait, I had to say 2. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. Let's say 2. This is going to be to that's a good question. What is this to? All right, I think it's going to be like 2 auth ESP, but it's not going to just be regular / auth ESP. For now it is. But eventually it's not. Let's go ahead and say continue. And I will move this to here. Oops. Just move this right into here. And we'll get rid of this button submit. We don't need that. This doesn't need to be a form. Okay. Let's see if it navigates me. Yes, it does. Perfect. And we get navigation. Good. Now what we could do is figure out how to get this so that when I go to the next thing, whatever is selected is like what's put here. So let's give, oh, these all have a value. Look at that. That's cool. Now my question is, can I do more? Like I want a navigation to occur, but I kind of also want something else to occur. But maybe the better option is to have a selected state. Something like that. Yeah, maybe I can have that. So it'll be like, I don't know, selection, set selection. And this is going to be a string, I guess, or undefined. Use state string or undefined. We'll say no. All right, and we'll initially set it to null. All right, now I want to say that, let's see, on selection. I wonder, do I have to put the select, like the event handler on the inputs themselves, yeah, I guess I do. I don't know. We'll just say on select. I don't really have a good one. I guess like normally I would loop across these. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, instead of saying normally, let's just do that. All right, so we're gonna have our ESPs. Yeah, ESPs. Or we'll name it out. Email service providers. Service providers. We're gonna have Mailgun. I think that's how they spell their name. MailChimp and Send. I think SendGrid is SendGrid that way. Let's check. SendGrid. Looks like they are capital. All right, so we're good. So let's put that to send capital G. All right, so now we have our email service providers, and we're gonna come here. We have our label and then input. All right, so I think this is where we can kind of split things here. All right, so do we have any other divs? No, we don't. So we're gonna say do this thing right here, and we'll say email service providers, and we'll map across that. And we're gonna get so for each ESP, what I want to do is return some markup, essentially. So we'll do this, and let's just do that for now too, before I move this up. All right, so that gets replaced here. All right, and I think we also need to put the key or something like that. And so long as these are, what do you call it? Like, what's the word? Unique, we're good. So this should be unique. The other thing we'll do is for the value, I'll put ESP.to lowercase. All right, and name email provider. Interesting. Okay, sure. And then I can get rid of, I think, all of these. No, not all of them. Just one less. There we are. Okay, so now we have that. Now I can worry about the selection. So we can say on selection, on selected, on select. We'll say this right here. So we'll take whatever the value is, which I think is going to be on the event, and we'll say that we'll get the current. What did I just do that for? We'll grab the current target, and I want the value. I think value. Yeah. So we're going to take that value. I don't know why it's doing this. So yeah, we're going to get the event. We're going to then call set selection on that, I think. Yeah, maybe. We'll see how that works. And then here, what I'll do is we'll put a question mark, and then we'll throw in the selection, whatever that selection is. Assuming it's not whatever the word is. So let's see if there's a disabled here. Is there a disabled? No. Okay, so what I guess I want to do is we'll say if there's a selection, then we want to render our link like that. All right, so if I make it, like, why do they all say MailChimp? What did I do? right. Where's the? We have name, ESP lowercase. Why do they all say MailChimp? Oh, okay, I'm dumb. All right, that's why they all say MailChimp. We want the ESP. There we go. Cool, look at that. So now if we make the selection, it's not showing up. Okay, interesting. Let's extract this function right quick. So we'll create a function and we'll call it make selection or something like that. Or on selection. And that's going to be, it's going to take an event. I forgot the type of that event. We'll figure that out later. And let's just take, wait, where is it at? Where's my, oh, here we are, this thing right here. The set selection. Name, I'm just gonna take that and put it here. We don't need this. So we're gonna call set selection and with E. Yeah, I know it has any type, that's okay. This is going to take a React event handler. That's not the right one. On select, right event. All right, event handler of T. But what is the T? That's the thing that I want. I want to know what that T is. So I think what I can do, I'll do this sometimes when I don't know the type of something. I'll just type out some code and something that it'll compile. And then if I hover over this, I can legit copy that and now I have my type. All right, it's cool. So that's my hack of the day. And the reason why I've done this is I'm going to throw in a log statement and see what's on this event. Because I may not be going to the right place. All right, so let's go to here and refresh or not. Each child in the list should have a unique key prop. Wait, what do you mean? Melgun, Melton. How are these not unique? Is it because I put it on the input? And maybe I should put it on the label? That's probably it. Yeah, that was it. Okay. All right, so here's why I did this. I'm going to now pass my function. Where is it at? Here. So we're going to pass in this right here, our on selection. And let's see what we get when I make a selection. All right, warning. Wait, okay, I don't know if I care about that. Let's try this again. Oh, I'll get nothing? Is it straight up not? Okay, let's call it then. Maybe I had to do one of these weird things where I had to, you know, call it, which is, I don't know, whatever. Pass it in there. See what happens now. Do we get a selection change? We don't. All right, obviously I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what it is. Oh, my bad. I just saw your message again. I'll rewatch the beginning of the live when you are done. My bad, bro. I just know. My bad. I'm like, sometimes when I get into work, I lose track of other things. Go away. Oh, it won't let me self-close this, huh? Oh, yeah, no wonder. Okay, I see it. Yeah, this is quite interesting because I would have expected to see a log of it. Like, just real talk. If this is doing what I think it should be doing, which is every time a selection is made. But let's see. Well, all right. We're gonna go to ChatGPT. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna build a what do you call those things? One of those new things. A GPT. Let's create a GPT. Okay. Oops. Dang, that's what they think about black people? That's what they think about black people? Look how big they made the nose. What the hell? They gave the lips some shadow. I'm just I like it. We'll go with that. I should say this is hood. See what it'll go with. See what it'll do. Man, if this works and I can just tell this thing to do this, that's gonna be dope. Did I tell it with Tailwind? Yeah, I did. Perfect. Really hope this is the last question. It's taking a while. I thought it would be faster than this. I wonder how much electricity I'm burning through right now. Like how many homes could we have built while we wait on, okay, here we are. All right, cool. I've already forgotten my question that I did this for. Oh, okay, yeah, I do remember now. We're gonna say, I want the following code to navigate, or wait, actually no, that's not. Why isn't my event handler being called when a radio button is selected? It should be used to the on change. What did I oh, I put I put it on select. Okay, well, I think I did know that, right? I did type the word on select, I'm pretty sure, and I even named it on selection. So let's call it on change, and let's call this on change. Honestly, I shouldn't even need to do this. I should be able to just do that. All right, let's see what that does. All right, I've already lost the app. Okay, this is it. Yeah. Look at that. That was it. My gosh. Sometimes. All right, so if I click this, or if I'm sorry, if I don't click this, you'll see here where it says ESP SendGrid. So I do MailChimp, that says MailChimp, and if I do Mailgun, that says Mailgun. Now obviously it says Mailgun here, but what I would do is when I get that request, I'm going to look at those query params, and depending on which one I see, it's going to determine which things I render. And that would be, it's just a function, right? So let's go and look into that a little bit more. So the only thing that needs to really change is this bit right in here. I'm going to pull that out, and we'll say function render, I don't know, I don't remember what it's called, something ESP. I'm gonna call it that for now. I don't remember what it's called. And we'll return. Actually, I wonder if this should be in the function. Yeah, I think it's a render. Yeah, it should be in the function. All right, so we're gonna render that. Like all of that. Put that here. This is a little interesting. Let's just do it this way. So we're going to do that, and we'll return one of these things. Maybe I do need that. And this. I don't know anymore. I really don't know. So we're gonna do both and hope that one of them fixes it. It didn't. Alright, something. I've done something. Something's weird here. It's like there's a div missing. I wonder if margin bottom. How come the margin bottoms are different? They should all be the same, right? Yeah, I think they should all be the same. So I think maybe I'm missing a div here. Yeah, class name, and this is going to be margin equal margin bottom 4 pixels. Okay, I think that's maybe better. Now the question is, do I need that? I don't think I do, so I'll get rid of it. Or maybe I do need it. What? Oh, no, I do need it. Okay, I'm tripping. All right, I see what's going on here now. All right. Cool, so now that that's there, we can close this. We'll render our ESP here. Oh, I see what happened. I see what happened. Okay. So this is where we would conditionally render an ESP. For now, I'm going to... I forgot what this is called. This is... Which one is this one? MailChimp. Okay, so we're going to say render MailChimp. MailChimp off. Or we'll say form. Fields. All right, and the goal for that is for this to be the same, right? So if I refresh, nothing should change. That's the whole point, right? And because of that, now I can do this right here and just copy and paste. So we're gonna say render mail gun fields and then render send grid fields. So now we have 3 functions that are separate. And obviously, you know, if I add the other ones, they're going to say the same thing, but let's make them say different things for now. So mail gun, let's see, what does mail gun expect? Did I already close sketch? I thought it was open this whole time. Okay, let's open it again. Look at my shitty drawing. So it only has one thing that we need, or no, SendGrid I haven't done. Okay, so it's mail gun, no, MailChimp. Okay, the MailChimp, MailChimp server prefix, okay, so which one do I have? I have MailChimp. So okay, all right, this is MailChimp. I don't know why this is so difficult for me, but this is MailChimp fields. All right, and then oh, I'm dumb. I am dumb. Okay, I see what's going on here. This was okay. Mailgun. We're on the same page now. So we're gonna have the one signal app ID, the Mailgun domain name. And the Mailgun API key. And I guess this should be what it should be for here as well. So we'll say this is going to be Mailgun domain name. Domain name. All right, and here we're going to have our Mailgun what is this? API key? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is the same thing. I'm dumb. I am dumb. This is our Melgun domain name here. Excuse me. Excuse me. I forgot what. Man, what are these? You know what? We'll just go look. Melgun domain name. They have a format, so I want to put that format in there to be helpful. Mel1, okay, that's not what I want. Oops, let's see, sending URL maybe. I don't know how the hell I managed to not spell that correctly. Base URL, authentication, Melgun. Okay, so that's going to be Melgun, your domain name. I thought that there was a specific way that these were set up. Like it had like a what do you call it? A MG account or something, or MG dot something. Maybe that's not the case. Maybe, oh no, that is the case. Here we are. So something like this is what I was thinking, but maybe that's not the case. All right, let's just log in. I can look at my account right quick. Move this off the screen in a second. I don't know what this is going to show. MG. Oh, okay, yeah, it's just going to be mg dot some domain. Okay, so we're going to say yeah, there's not even the HTTP there, so yeah, we'll do that. So we'll say mg dot your domain.com, and I think we can do that in a domain. So yeah, so we'll say your domain.com, your domain name. All right, now we have our Melgun API key. All right. I wonder if they have example API keys that they can share. Let's see, Melgun example API key. Just dump one in there. I don't know what they look like. That's why I opened it. That's not what I want to do. Melgun. I think it makes a difference. Man, y'all can't even show me like what the key would look like. Man. Maybe I can steal their keys. Nope. down. All right, fine. We'll just say enter what do you call it? Mailgun API key. And because I like consistency, all of them are going to say enter. Enter your Mailgun sending domain. Enter one signal app ID. All right, I think we're good on this one. To a point, not all the way good. We're almost good. One signal app ID. Now we're good. Mailgun domain name. Enter Mailgun sending domain. I think that's what it was called. Yeah, they call them sending domains. Let's look at what this looks like now. I should probably be looking at this in my dev browser, so it's easy to find. I'm gonna make changes. Is it port 3000? Maybe. Yeah, cool. So you do that. All right. Continue. All right, so we're good here. Now what I want to do is, because I have at least 2 of these, we'll comment this out for now. I have 2 of these done. So what I want to do is look for the query param and then conditionally render, right? So I need to figure out how to get that. Like where do I get that from? And why is this messed up? What's wrong with the syntax highlighting here? Like it just stops. It doesn't make sense to me. How are these different? Yeah, this is weird. Why are these doing that? All right, whatever. Let's see. Query params. This query string of the current. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. So that's location. Okay, so we're gonna say use location. We'll import that from React, I guess. Yeah. And then location search is going to have the things. So maybe I just pull out search, which is the thing that I want. And here is where I can do something a little different, I guess. We'll do switch. Wait, that didn't do what I thought it would do. How come it's not working? All right. This is interesting. My little thingamajig isn't working. This sucks. All right, we're gonna switch on search. Why can't I do this? it's upset at me about something. Is this just not something? You know what? Fine. I can do even better than that. We're going to say render the right thing. We're gonna abstract it. We're gonna say render fields. All right, and then I can throw my switch here. Will it let me do it here? All right, let's get rid of that. All right, so we're gonna do our switch. Will it let me do the thing now? No, it doesn't. What if I do case? Still doesn't let me do it. That's interesting. Wow. All right, so we're gonna do that on search, and we're gonna say case we get what's the first one? Mel gun. Then we want to do something. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just return the render mel gun fields, like that, and then we'll have one for case MailChimp. We want to return the render MailChimp fields, and we don't have it yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. We're gonna say SendGrid, and we want to return render SendGrid fields, which exists, but I commented it out. Let me just not comment it out. And there's one other thing that I want to do here. I'm gonna go ahead and change this for these. So this is gonna be one signal app ID. And these labels down here, I don't know if they exist yet. So I'm gonna just delete the second one. And I'm also delete this one here too. Actually, I'm not. I'm gonna keep it there. And we're gonna rename it for send. I don't know what this is gonna be called, but we'll just call it SendGrid. All right, so we have our SendGrid, and then all of these are gonna just be like SendGrid for now. All right, and then enter SendGrid stuff. All right, cool. Now we have all of these defined. I'm not really sure what's going on with these functions here, but maybe if I redefine them, maybe it'll fix it, hopefully. No, it doesn't. It didn't fix it. All right, so something is going on. I'm going to restart my text editor in a moment to see if that addresses the issue at all. What's up with this formatting too? This is disgusting. All right, yeah, that's a little bit better, not much. All right, so we're gonna render our fields like that, and yeah, look at that. And to be honest, I can move all of this outside of this component. None of this has to be here. All right, so let's do that. Wow, it's still broken out here. Interesting. Something's going on. Like something's weird here. It's like it's not formatting either. I don't understand what's going on with this. Right, let's see if there is an error. Yeah, there are. Cannot find module. Okay. I don't know what's going on with that one, but it's something. It's really annoying because it's making it very hard to like not understand, but like I don't know what the right word is. I just don't like it. I hate it. All right, let's try this again. Oh, it's working. MailChimp. Okay. All right, something's up. I thought I included SendGrid somewhere in here, but maybe I didn't. So now I'm looking for the render SendGrid stuff. One signal. Nah, this isn't working. Yeah, something's going on with this. This is weird. Let's just stop it. We'll restart. There we go. All right, sure. Restarting fixes it. All right. Let's see if this is going to render. Nope, it doesn't work. It took me to MailChimp. What does this do? MailChimp. What does this do? MailChimp. Okay. It's not rendering this. Just throw in whatever the search is. I'm wondering like if this is actually doing what I think it's doing, or okay, wait, what's going on here? Oh, this is okay. This is another browser. I was like, wait, what's going on here? That'll explain a lot. Okay, let's come back here. We'll go back there. Cool. There we are. All right, now we're good. So let's clear all of this out, and we're gonna click this. All right, and let's continue. And get an application error. Okay, interesting. I bet you it's calling this right here, this invalid case. Error, no route matches URL, build manifest. Okay, that's something else. I don't know what that is. Status text not found. Okay. I don't know if I understand this error. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, legit don't understand this error because this was working last time. I don't understand. Is this okay? Never mind. All right, now I get it. Invalid case. Mel gun is an invalid case. Mel gun. It includes the question mark. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. All right. It includes the question mark. Fine. I suppose. Yeah, sure. Sure. I suppose that makes sense. So it's not enough to just do this. I have to parse this. I wonder if they have a helper function to do that, or am I on my own for that? Yeah, I might be on my own for that. All right, whatever. This is easy enough to fix. I could parse it, but I don't really see the need for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on the substring of this. So we'll do substring, and what I want to do is I want to start on index 1, and I think that should give me a working. Yeah, it does. Cool. So we'll go to send grid, and that seems to work. And then what's the other one? Is it MailChimp? MailChimp and Mailgun? I don't know. They all seem to work. All right. So now these are all here. I should probably commit. Maybe that's a good thing to do at some point. Oh, we'll just stop this right quick and we'll add everything. We'll say bootstrap project. Git remote add origin HTTPS, and we'll go to github.com. One signal developers. What's a good name for this repo? Email migration tool, git, something like that. Email migration tool. So I got to make sure I create that. So we'll say gh repos repo. What is that? Yeah. And then we'll do create. I think it's create. New. Which one is it? Yes, create. So we're going to create, and then we'll say one signal developers / email migration tool. Public. I guess I should probably do that here. Okay, we have the GitHub thingamajig. So we should be able to push this now. So we'll do git push dash new origin and main. Okay, and then we could do gh repo view, and then I think it's like web or something like that. Cool. So now we have our project up. I wonder if I could use Vercel for this. Yeah, let's see if I can hook this up to Vercel right quick. That would be dope. I've never done this. This is new. This would be new. We're gonna go into one signal devs and do that. Add a new one, project. We're gonna go to one signal developers, and this project is called email migration tool. All right, we'll import that. Oh, look at that. It does now. Remix. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Deploy. Well, this is nice. This is a huge selling point of Remix for me. Just this right here. I can use the current infrastructure that I'm using now, right? Like we can have debates on whether or not if this is the best, but I don't care, right? It works. It works with GitHub, it works. And it works with Remix. So yeah, this whole time I thought I was gonna have to figure out some other solution for Remix stuff if I wanted to migrate to it, but this is nice. All right, yeah, so we can do that. Oh wait, why is my button not right? What happened? It was supposed to look like this. What happened? All right, whatever, it's fine. I'll at least share this. Are we just not gonna? Oh, there we go. All right, yeah, I'll share this later. It's not in a. It's honestly, it's not in a position for me to share. Like certain things are not great. One thing that I am going to do, I don't like this flashing UI right here. So what I'm going to do is come into my index, I think, and we're no longer going to allow or null here, right? The selection is always going to be ABCD MailChimp. So yeah, MailChimp is going to be the first one. So we're going to say MailChimp. In fact, I'm just going to go to our email service providers and then say it's going to be 0. Now, you may be like, oh, yeah, that's fine. Let me just reorder this. All right. So cool. Now that should look a little bit better. We'll refresh. So we get Mailgun as our selection. And then maybe selection. So we'll say this. So we'll say selected. Is it, gosh, is it checked? It's not checked, is it? What's the property for, is it checked? I'm gonna go with checked. So we'll say checked, and that's going to be equal to, well, first of all, we got to figure out which one we're on, right? So we're going to say if the current ESP that we're on, if it's equal to the selection, right? So we'll say if ESP is equal to selection, like that. And that didn't do anything. So it must not be checked. Is it? I thought it would be like selected or something. Enabled. All right, let's ask ChatGPT again, because obviously I don't know what I'm doing. Oops. All right, so how do I get the selection status of a group of radio buttons? Group of radio buttons. Oh, it's not status state. I guess status state is the same thing. Selection, yeah, that's what I thought. Oh wait, no, wait, no. It's not. I'm already doing that. This isn't what I'm after. Value of selection. Is it value? Is that the, wait, is that it? Value. No, that can't be it. Yeah, that's not it. This isn't helpful. Is there not a property on the input? So it is checked. Something is I don't know if I understand why this isn't working. Oh, I see here. I see. To lower. And we also want to do that same thing here. Actually, we only need to do it once. All right, so if we refresh, still none? Wait, what? So we put the lowercase value in here. And then we're going through our email. Oh, okay, I remember. Okay, all right, I see. So it's not only that, I also had to say 2 lowercase here. So it's not enough to just do it in one place. I have to do it in both. And that still doesn't do it. I would have expected this one to work. Yeah, I would have expected that one to work. This is interesting. But that's okay. I can write out some logs here. And what I'll do is dump this in there and see what comes back. Why is this tripping at me? Void is not assignable to React node. Yeah. Okay, do I need to say null? And we'll also void this out. I should be able to do this now. Okay, yeah, we're good. All right. Oh, also, let's open this in the right place. This is where we want to be opening at. Oh, you know what? This whole time, I was looking. All right, I feel dumb now. This is me. This is me being dumb. I was making changes, but I was looking at the production version of the app. So this is definitely user error. Look at that. It's been working. It works. All right. So you see MailChimp was selected. I come here and then I refresh MailChimp. Okay, never mind. I forgot I have this use state here. I was like, what the hell? I forgot I put this use state here. Okay, but something's not right or not nice. Or wait, what's going on? I see a lot of things happening here. True, false, true, false. True, false, true, false. Let's confirm that this is what I think it is. So this is going to be our, wait, false, true, false. It should be rendering 3 times. Yeah, we're going to do this right here. We're going to say ESP. We'll just put that there, right there. And we'll also say selection. Okay. All right, there we are. MailChimp, Mailgun, SendGrid. Mailgun, Mailgun, Mailgun. All right, perfect. MailChimp. All right, we're good now. So with that, we can get rid of that. No longer needed. All right, look at there. We probably also don't need that other thing that I'm logging these somewhere. I forgot where I'm doing that at. Here. And we'll clean this up just a little bit. All right. So now if I click MailChimp, it takes me to MailChimp, Mailgun. Wait a minute. Okay, this is me being dumb. All right, so it's right, but it's wrong. Here's where it's wrong. Let's first find my auth stuff, and we're looking for the mel gun. So we're gonna say render mel gun. I hate the fact that these are so close in names. It confuses me. I'm not good with things that are too close in names. Oh, I see what the issue is now. I see what the issue is. All right, so it's not this render here. The issue is beyond that. It's right here. This piece right here. We're going to do something similar to this, except we're going to, we're gonna call it the ESP. So we'll say ESP, and that's going to be a function, and it's going to be I copied the wrong thing. It's going to be this here. So if the search substring is that, then we're going to say mel gun, and then mel chimp, and send grid like that. Oh shit, what did I just do? Why did I do that? That's the wrong thing. That's not what I was trying to do. All right, this is what I was trying to do. We're going to return mel gun, or wait, mel gun. No, it's lowercase gun, and then mel chimp is a capital mel chimp, and send grid is a send capital G. Then we'll say invalid ESP. All right, cool. So now I can then take this and say we'll say ESP. ESP. All right, and now we see mel gun, and then if we go to send grid, we get send grid and mel chimp. Cool. Oh, I don't have this in desktop yet, so I'll just commit here, I suppose. Okay, all right, so what we'll do is we'll add our index. I would have assumed that it would have found that, but maybe not. And what did we do? Well, we conditionally render fields based on search param. I actually don't know what this last thing is. What was that? Was it to the, let's just see, to the auth? Did I not, is that not how you spell them in? All right. Yeah. Push that up. I don't know why I'm using. I say this often where it's like I shouldn't be using the command line of anything because I have this wonderful tool that like I spent all this time building, and I'm over here using the CLI. I'm gonna stop that. I don't like using it at all. All right, so we have that. Let's see if this is automatically going to deploy. It should, though. Oh, wait. Whoa. This is the wrong project. Open the right project. This is, we'll open it. This is where code one signal developers email migration tool. Yeah, cool. Oh, this is the focus shouldn't be on choose after you make a selection, or maybe I don't know. Maybe that's fine. All right, let's look here and see what we got. Did it deploy? Yep, it did. Ah, look at that. Let's see where I'm at. 2 hours in. And I got a little bit of stuff done. I didn't get anything for my own personal thing done, my own personal project, but that's okay. Sometimes it's nice to do something a little bit different and make progress. So yeah, I guess this is going to be it for today's stream. You know, I'm going to give myself a round of applause because it's very rare that I get it from anyone else. So I'm going to thank myself for doing a good job. Thank you, William. And I will see William. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Peace.